Today is June 13th, yeah. I just came with CTU, Fudan DBS students. Had lunch here. It's foggy. Yeah, I've been busy with Fudan DBS students for the last 3 days. Yeah. So we had a farewell lunch for them here. Today it's foggy here, so can't really see much here. I've been here for a while, some changes here anyway. It's a Sunday. Yeah, try to video this, yeah. Yeah, it's a pig. They call the pig for peace, yeah, tranquility pig, whatever. That's what they call it. Yeah. Findele Road. Yeah, later I take the tram to go down here. Yeah. Anyway, cannot see anything at all because this is the. Actually, see the appearance down there. Actually, should be in a clear day. We can see Victoria Harbour. Yeah. Now just see the fog, but it's beautiful. It's fresh air here. It's even more prettier in the evening, actually. Yeah. But anyway, this is really nice place. Yeah. A lot of rich people live on the top of the hills here. Anyway, a lot of tourists. Normally, I come here like I don't know, once or twice a year with friends. Okay, this is a Chinese style pagoda. Yeah. It's all foggy. It's all foggy down there. A lot of tall buildings there, but it's all in the fog right now. You can hear the insects singing, the birds singing. Yeah, it's peaceful. Some butterflies flying. Yeah, pretty there. See? Yeah. It just stopped raining. It was raining a while ago. Okay. Yeah. This nice road, Findele Road. It was named after some British. The British conquered Hong Kong in 1840 after they won the Opium War. They annexed Hong Kong Island and the Kowloon Peninsula. And later on, they rented or they leased new territory. And all this returned to China in 1997. Yeah. So it's under Chinese control for about, since 1997, for 13 years already. Yeah. The British have really left a good legacy here, like the transparency of laws, a free economy, yeah, less corruption here, yeah, level fair competition, yeah. So that's the legacy done by the British. Yeah. Cannot see much at all because it's foggy. Yeah. A lot of tourists coming from mainland China. Yeah. But I cannot see much. I guess they don't stay too long. That pagoda called the Expanding Charity Pagoda, whatever. 名人亭. Yeah. 明 means enlarged, shining. Yeah. 人 in Chinese actually means belovedness, love or charity, whatever. Yeah, this is the. So some lovers come here. And, yeah. Yeah. Not say much. Walk back. Take the tram back later on. That's an observatory tower, yeah, I guess, yeah. but because it's foggy, so you cannot see much at all. Yeah.